If you're looking for a remote job inside of Indeed, you can filter out different sections. This way, you'll be able to find the remote job that suits you the best. So once you're inside of the platform of Indeed, whether you're using your mobile phone or the desktop, make sure you select the location as remote. This way, it will only show you remote job opportunities that are available. Now, once you've done that, either you need to search a job title, keyword, or a specific company that you're trying to work for. Once you search for your job title, for example, and select the remote option, you're going to see all of the jobs that are currently providing the remote work. Once you select on a particular job, you can see the pay rate and view the profile details as well. If you scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see the full job description. There are other filters that you can apply as well, such as job type and experience level. So based upon what you need, try checking out all of these options and try to find the exact job that you're looking for. So that was a quick tutorial on the way that you find remote jobs inside of Indeed. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.